In this video, you'll learn how to select a location on Wecasa for your desired service. This process includes logging in, choosing a service category, and entering your address for accurate service delivery. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. If you are not already signed in, you will need to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and enter your credentials in the provided fields. After entering your email and password, click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Here you will see various service categories displayed prominently. Select the service category that suits your needs, such as massage, hair, beauty, or cleaning. Clicking on one of these options will take you to a list of specific services available under that category. After selecting a category, choose the specific service you want to book. For instance, if you selected massage, you might see options like Swedish massage or deep tissue massage. Click on the service that interests you to proceed to the service booking page. On the service booking page, locate the address field. This is usually labeled clearly and may be highlighted for easy access. Click on the address field to activate it and then enter your full address, including your street name, city, and zip code. Providing complete and accurate information is essential, as this will allow the professional to find your location. Once you've entered your address, Wecasa will automatically display the prices for the service and the available professionals based on the location you provided. This information is crucial as it helps you understand your options before finalizing your booking. After reviewing the details, you can continue by selecting your preferred date and time for the service, confirming pricing, and choosing your payment method. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.